Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Karina from Paradigm Thrifts. Today I am finally going to be giving you guys a tour of my office space. A few months ago, we moved our home office into a separate studio apartment that is in the same building that we live in. And let me tell you, finally being able to separate business and personal life has been amazing. I used to have my inventory in the garage, my office desk space was in our bedroom, and everything was kind of just overflowing into my personal life. So having a dedicated space to work in, I think, is so important. Now this space isn't my ideal office space. Obviously I would love to have a bigger space in the future, but for now this definitely works. I was kind of waiting for the perfect moment to show you guys when I thought everything was going to be like fixed and nice and cute, but then I realized this is always going to be a work in progress. I'm always going to be changing things, and this isn't the most like aesthetically pleasing Poshmark office space or reseller office space that you've seen. So if you're looking for like a more aesthetically pleasing office, unfortunately this isn't it, but everything is super functional, and I've tried to make this space somewhere that I actually like spending time, since I do spend a lot of time in here. I do share this office with my fiance. He has half of the room for himself, or actually it's more like he has a quarter of the room to himself, and then the rest of the space is all my reselling stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour and show you where I work every day. So when you walk into the office, this is what you see. I have my inventory stacked on these metal racks, and I have 3 of them here. There's another one on the other side, but that's kind of like the first thing that you see when you walk into the room. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen this jacket that I featured in one of my reels. I am obsessed with it. I haven't decided yet if I want to list it or if I want to keep it for myself, but it is a leather racing jacket, which I think is super cool. Anyway, moving on this side, we have some whiteboards that we use when we are trying to like plan business stuff. Ryan has her little desk here for whenever she is in the office with us, which is most of the time. But she has a box of all her toys and her little desk, and she just usually chills in here while we're working. This is Charlie's desk. Do you want to say hi? Hi. He mainly just works here and chills with me when I'm up here. Moving back over to this side, you can see more of my inventory. So I've shown these to you guys before, but these bins are from, I've gotten them from Target, from Walmart, from Home Depot, from a bunch of places, but they are the 56 quart Sterilite bins, and I have all my inventory inside. So each bin has 25 items in it. These racks are from Home Depot. I had somebody ask me about this on the side, but this is just a little over-the-door like shoe hanger that I got off of Amazon, and I keep some of like the sandals and flats in there. I have some of my purses hanging right here. I don't sell many purses, so they're all just kind of hanging on the side here. And then you guys are probably familiar with this corner because I have definitely done some filming over in this section in the past. Moving over to this side of the room, here's a little overview of my desk area. You guys might have seen this in one of my Instagram posts, but Charlie actually made this for me. He recently launched the Rug Club, where he makes custom rugs, so I will drop the link down below if you guys want to check that out. But he custom made this rug for me. It's like actually a carpet, if you can see that. I absolutely love it. This was like one of the first pieces he made. And yeah, he can make any logo into a carpet. So if you guys want some decor for your posh office, definitely check out the Rug Club, and he can get that all created for you. Over here, this is my light box. You guys have seen a tour of that. I'll go over it a little bit later. But I got this tapestry from Society 6. I absolutely love this. I have been all about like attracting opportunities, attracting success, attracting just everything that is meant for me. So having this like mantra reminder right next to me all the time is amazing, and I love the colors. And that, yeah, this is just an overview of my desk. I got this desk at Goodwill for like 20 bucks, but I'm pretty sure it was originally from Target. My chair is from IKEA, and my computer is a Mac. Shameless plug, this is my Poshmark closet, and yeah, this is kind of just an overview of my desk. I know it kind of looks lame right now. I need to do some more decorating and fixing things up. I honestly want to get a new desk. I think I want to get like a rising standing desk, but we'll see because I know those are a little bit pricey. Anyway, moving on this way, this was like a radiator or a heater or something. I just got this piece of wood from Home Depot and put it on top and turned it into like a little shelf. I have all of my poly mailers in this little plastic drawer, my Rollo printer right there. With this little thing, I've shared this in an Amazon video, but I love this because it holds the labels for my printer and I can switch it out when I want to make like my stickers or make anything else. I have this Cricut, which Charlie got for me for Christmas last year, and I have like barely used it. I definitely want to start using it more, so I put it up here to kind of make me look at it more and make me come up with ideas for how to use it. But yeah, that is a little overview of like my desk area. Let me go in here really quick. You guys have seen this before. This is my light box. It's amazing, but the only thing that I don't like about it is that all of the lights have an individual plug, so I just keep it off on the strip, and then when I want to turn it on, I just turn the strip on. I mean, it's pretty easy, but it's just such a pain to have all of these cords everywhere. Moving over here is just this shoe rack that I got off Amazon, and I have a bunch of shoes on there. This is inventory that I still need to put away. I couldn't be bothered to do that before I filmed this video. But yeah, it's not neat at all. It's pretty messy, and I can't even fit all my shoes on here. That's why I had to get this little shoe hanger thing. And then I still have some in this room over here. So like I said, this is a studio apartment, so there is a bathroom, there's a little mini kitchen, and some storage in the back. I'm gonna go in here first. So actually, before I go in there, don't you just love this tapestry thingy, this wall hanging? I got it at Goodwill for like $3. I'm pretty sure it's also from Target, but I thought it would be really cute just to hang right there. But anyway, this is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. We don't really use the bathroom, like we don't use the toilet in here very much. Sorry, I'm chatting with you guys through the mirror. But I wanted to utilize all the space that I possibly could, so I ended up moving a hanging rack into the shower, and I have all of like my bulky jackets, sweaters, coats, and things like that hanging in there. I also have some like inventory down there in bags that I just haven't dealt with. I also have some more like storage supplies in here, or not storage, office supplies in here, like extra shipping labels, extra tape, and things like that. And then in this over the toilet shelf, I put some more shoes on here. Now this was already here. I didn't like buy this specifically for this. I just wanted to utilize as much space as I possibly could. So things are kind of messy in here. I do film some TikToks in here because of the lighting. But moving on, we're gonna go past this kitchen because we don't use it. None of these appliances work, but we save a bunch of our shipping boxes and we keep them here in case we need shipping supplies. And then this is like my shipping closet and kind of random thing closet. But I just ordered a bunch of shipping supplies from USPS. For those of you guys who don't know, USPS offers free priority boxes that you can order on their website. Highly recommend ordering them now before Q4 really makes them like sell out of stuff. But I have a bunch of stuff here, and then we have some of the things that like Charlie sells here. Those are a bunch of clothes that are damaged that I need to fix, and then some like cleaning supplies and just extra things in here. So definitely not the best, prettiest setup or anything like that, but it does the job and it helps me keep things a little bit more organized, and at least everything has its own place. So that is it for my office tour. I know it is very small, but honestly it does the job. It holds everything that I need it to, and it gives me a space away from my home to really focus on my business, which I have been really thankful for. This office space has helped me be more productive with my business and be more organized and kind of just be able to put work like aside when it is time to go home. let me know down below if you guys have your own separate reseller space, or even if you resell out of your house. I want to see your spaces. So if you have a video doing like an office tour, leave the links down below. If you guys have photos of your spaces, send them to me on Instagram or tag me, because I'm still working on this space. It's not in its like final form. I definitely have a lot more decorating to do and trying to find ways to see if I can utilize the space a little bit better. This holds about 750 items, and so I'm kind of capped out at that. I don't have anywhere else to put inventory. So I want to see how you guys store your items, or how you utilize like a small space or your reseller space in general. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below.